What's up guys, this is dating profile photos that we have taken for our clients which got crazy results. So let's have a look at today's client case study photo.
Hey Daddy!
Now despite the fact that I take professional dating site photos, obvious professional shoots will not work, and nor will cheesy posed pictures which guys take themselves work either. Women want to see a real photo, which is thus an insight into your real life and your real value. So this is the formula you gotta follow. 1. Great styling. Clothes make the man. You are what you wear. Your style dictates how high value you are in society. 2. Realism. Nobody wants to see a professional picture which doesn't represent your real life. We want to see a real portal into that high value man. 3. Cool locations which have a good ambiance, a good vibe and look aesthetically pleasing. The result is you look like that high value man with that high value lifestyle who she wants to date and wants to introduce her friends to. And the result of that is crazy matches, baby. Follow me for more online dating tips and techniques, and if you want my personal help, this is what I do guys. Hit me up to book in a free consultation via my website.